Welcome to our channel. Getting started with DC Universe is easy when you follow these activation steps. Step 1. Visit the official DC Universe website or download the DC Universe app from your device's app store. Step 2. Click on the sign up or subscribe button displayed prominently on the homepage. Step 3. Choose your preferred subscription plan from the available options, whether monthly or annual. Step 4. Create your account by entering your email address and creating a strong password. Step 5. Enter your payment information, including credit card details, or select an alternative payment method like PayPal. Step 6. Review the subscription terms and confirm your purchase to activate your membership. Step 7. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message with your account activation link. Click the link to verify your email address. Step 8. Log into your DC Universe account using your credentials on any supported device. Step 9. Browse the extensive library of DC content and start streaming your favorite shows, movies, and comics immediately. Your subscription is now active, and you can enjoy unlimited access to exclusive DC entertainment across multiple devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.